Welcome to our channel, students. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it. In today's video, we will learn conversion of money units from rupees to paise. In this video, we will cover the topics: how to read rupees and paise, and how to convert rupees to paise, and how to convert paise to rupees. So let's start and see how to read and write figures in rupees and paise. Amount of money can be written in two ways, in words as well as in figures. For example, 3 rupees and 50 paise. In words, it is written as rupees 3 and 0.50. Students, dot separates the rupees from paise. Okay, I'm repeating, dot separates the rupees from paise. So now students, moving forward to our next example, 3 rupees and 5 paisa. In figures, it is written as rupees 3.05. Most of the students make mistake in writing 50 paisa and 5 paisa. I'm repeating, most of the students make mistake in writing 50 paisa and 5 paisa. So make a note. If paisa is less than 10, then write a 0 after dot. Like if there is 6 paisa, then in figures it will be written as 0.06. Now let's see how to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. As we all know, Indian currency is rupees and paise, and 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So convert rupees into paise, multiply by 100, and to convert paise into rupees, divide by 100. Let's solve few questions to understand this concept. Question is, convert 8 rupees into paise. Students, convert rupees 8 into paise, multiply the amount given in rupees by 100 and write P at the end of the paise. So here rupees 8 equals to 8 into 100 paise, which is equals to 800 paise. Now moving forward to our next question. So our next question is, convert 7 rupees and 30 paise into paise. As we just learned, students, how to convert rupees into paise, multiply by 100. Okay. So here 7 rupees and 30 paise will be 7 into 100 paise plus 30 paise. 7 into 100 equals to 700. So 700 paise plus 30 paise equals to 730 paise. So students, we have converted rupees and paise into paise. Now students, there is another way to convert. It is written in figures as rupees 7.30. To convert, just remove rupees and dot, add P at the end for paise. So rupees 7.30 equals to 730 paise. So this is how we convert rupees into paise. Now let's see how to convert paise into rupees. So the question is, convert 850 paise into rupees. Students, to convert paise into rupees, divide 100 by count 2 digits from right and put a dot there. Like here, put a dot before 50 and write rupees at the beginning for rupees. So 850 paisa is equals to rupees 8.50. Next question is, convert 1500 paise into rupees. Again, to convert paise into rupees, either divide by 0 or count 2 digits from right and put a dot there. So here put a dot before 00 and write rupees at the beginning. So 1500 paise will be rupees 15. Students, rupees 15 means 15 rupees and 0 paise. So we can also write it as rupees 15. So now moving forward to our next question, which is convert 10,000 paise into rupees. To convert, let's count 2 digits from right and put a dot there. Students, put a dot before 00 and 10,000 paise becomes rupees 100.00. Students, as I told you in the previous question, rupees 100.00 means rupees 100 and 0 paise. So we can also write it as rupees 100. So student, this is how we convert paise into rupees. Now let's do an exercise. Compare the following and use greater than, less than or equals to. Students, as I told you, we can read rupees 7.00 as rupees 7 only. So we can write it as rupees 7. And we know rupees 70 is greater than rupees 7. So now students, moving forward to our next compare, which is 6,050 paisa with rupees 6 and 50 paisa. Students, we can convert 6,050 paisa into rupees 60.50. So rupees 60.50 is greater than rupees 6.50. Now students, moving forward to our next example, our next compare is rupees 35.60 and 3,580 paise. Students, 3,580 paise can be converted into rupees 35.80. Now rupees 35.60 paise is less than rupees 35.80 paise. Now students, compare 1900 paise and rupees 19. Students, 1900 paise would be converted as rupees 19. Therefore, 1900 paise is equals to rupees 19. And in the end, let's compare 7,000 paise and rupees 700. 7,000 paise can be written as rupees 700. Therefore, the students, rupees 70 is less than rupees 700. So students, in this video, we learned how to convert rupees into paise and how to convert paise into rupees. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, so please do not forget to hit the like button.